everyone. Today we will explore a unique and promising farming model that brings high economic value: peacock farming. These peacocks, with their vibrant plumage and majestic appearance, are not only symbols of natural beauty, but also hold great economic value. So why do many farmers choose to raise peacocks? Let's find out in this video. The peafowl, also known as peafowl, is a bird famous for its stunning plumage. It originates from Asia, but some species are also found in the Congo. The male peafowl, called a peacock, boasts vibrant and colorful feathers, while the female, known as a peahen, has a more subdued appearance. Their young are called peachicks. Though the peahen may have a simpler look, both the peacock and peahen play crucial roles in maintaining the species. At birth, peachicks have rather dull feathers, but as they mature, their plumage becomes more vivid and colorful. It takes nearly 3 years for a male peafowl to fully develop its magnificent tail feathers, which it uses to attract mates during the breeding season. This creates one of the most spectacular displays in the animal kingdom: the dazzling courtship dance of the peacock. One of the rarest and most unique types of peafowl is the white peafowl. This is not an albino bird, but rather a special genetic variant of the Indian blue peafowl. White peafowl are extremely rare and are primarily bred in captivity, though a few can still be found in the wild, particularly in India. Their presence adds to their mystique and rarity. Unlike other poultry, peafowl are not primarily raised for their meat or eggs. Instead, their true value lies in their stunning plumage and regal appearance. Peacock feathers are widely used in interior decoration, fashion, art, and handicrafts. Additionally, peafowl farming is often combined with ecotourism, attracting visitors and bird enthusiasts while providing a sustainable source of income for farmers. To raise peafowl effectively, they need a spacious and secure environment. Each adult peafowl requires at least 100 square meters of space to move freely, display its vibrant plumage, and engage in natural behaviors. Peafowl enclosures should have fences at least 6 to 7 feet high to prevent them from flying away. A roof or shelter is essential to protect them from harsh weather conditions. Additionally, wooden perches inside the enclosure are crucial, as peafowl have a habit of roosting at night to protect themselves from predators. During the winter, these perches can be equipped with heating systems to keep their sensitive feet warm. A unique aspect of raising peafowl is their breeding behavior. The male peafowl performs a spectacular tail display to attract a mate. When a female is interested, she will approach and mimic the male's movements, signaling her readiness to mate. This is one of the most mesmerizing sights in the natural world. After mating, the peahen lays between 3 to 5 eggs in a natural nest, usually hidden in dense bushes or secluded corners to avoid predators. The incubation period lasts between 27 to 30 days, during which the peahen keeps the eggs warm and protects the nest. When pea chicks are born, they are covered in soft down and completely depend on their mother for warmth and protection from danger. As they grow, they begin to develop their beautiful plumage, but it takes around 3 to 4 years for a male peafowl to fully grow its magnificent tail feathers. This requires peafowl keepers to have a long-term care strategy, as peafowl can live up to 35 years if properly cared for. Nutrition is an important factor in caring for peacocks. Peacocks are omnivores, and they eat grains, insects, small snakes, fish, and even frogs. Peacock farms usually provide them with a balanced diet consisting of grains and protein-rich foods to help them maintain good health in their beautiful plumage. Additionally, leafy greens, earthworms, and fruits like apples are added to their diet to boost their health and immunity. However, peacocks are also susceptible to certain diseases, such as respiratory issues, digestive problems, and parasites. A damp and unhygienic environment can lead to infections, reducing their appetite and reproductive abilities. To prevent these issues, it's important to keep their enclosures dry, provide clean food, and administer regular vaccinations. If any peacock shows symptoms like diarrhea, loss of appetite, or weakness, it should be isolated and treated immediately under the guidance of a specialist. Peacocks are typically raised until they are around 2 to 3 years old before being sold. This is the age at which they have fully developed in size and have their beautiful plumage, ensuring high economic value. One interesting feature of peacocks is their natural annual molting process. During the molting season, peacocks shed their old feathers to make way for new ones. Peacock farms can carefully collect these feathers and sell them in the market. Raising peacocks is not only a hobby, but also a highly potential business model. With the increasing demand for peacock feathers in the fashion, interior decoration, and art industries, along with their attraction to visitors in ecotourism activities, peacock farming is becoming a sustainable and profitable business model for farmers. Although peacock meat is no longer common in modern cuisine, historically it was considered a luxury dish for European nobility and was served at royal banquets. However, today, the consumption of peacock meat has declined and is no longer a popular dish. In summary, raising peacocks not only provides aesthetic value, but also creates sustainable economic opportunities. With the right breeding conditions and proper care strategies, this model can develop long-term, offering stable income and helping to preserve the beauty of this magnificent bird species. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment so we can discuss peacock farming further. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting future videos. Thank you, and see you next time.